Welcome to today's episode where we dive into how to start a digital side hustle, especially if you're not tech savvy. Whether you're looking for a new way to earn or need a flexible path, we've got some practical insights for you.
That's right. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a lifestyle that suits your personal values. So A, what was your first step when you started this journey?
Honestly, the key was embracing simplicity. I didn't have to be a tech expert. I started with pre-built digital courses that allowed me to focus on marketing instead of creating products from scratch.
That sounds like a huge relief. So how did you keep everything running smoothly, especially without being glued to a screen all day?
Great question. Automated sales funnels were a game changer. They work 24/7, guiding potential customers from curiosity to purchasing without me having to do anything extra.
So, it's all automated? That's brilliant. But what about creating content? Did you have to start making videos right away?
Not at all. I started with short form videos. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram make it easy to create simple, authentic videos that connect with people. No fancy equipment needed.
That's a smart move, keeping it real. Now, for anyone looking to take the first step, what advice would you give them?
Start simple. Use the tools that are easy to learn and focus on consistency, one step at a time, like creating a basic sales funnel or posting your first video. Every little win adds up.
I love that approach. Small steps leading to big changes. What's next for someone who's ready to jump in?
Download the free blueprint, watch the free webinar, and start the short class to get familiar with the process. Don't rush. The journey's about steady growth, and you'll get there with patience.
It's all about finding balance and setting goals. Thanks for sharing your journey today. I'm sure many listeners are feeling inspired to start their own side hustle.
Yep. And listen, if you're rebuilding like I was, don't wait for perfect. Just take that first step. Grab my free side hustle starter toolkit at earnableskills.com or click the link below in the description. It's packed with the tools I use to start earning online, even without tech skills. And hey, if this episode gave you hope, do me a favor, like, comment, or share it with someone who needs it too. You're not too late, you're just getting started.
Absolutely. It's never too late to start building something meaningful. Good luck, everyone. Keep pushing forward.